last week, a meeting was held in Konkan Rail Bhavan at Belapur CBD, Mumbai. And as a member, I was also present there. I'm very happy to announce that one of the major outcomes of this meeting was that I made a strong case for upgrading the Karmadi railway station, which is one of the important links to North Goa. So I made a point that Karmadi station must be made proper use. It must be put to proper use, and more trains should stop there to give passengers the benefit of coming towards Panji and other places. Because if the passengers go to Margao, then it becomes a return journey, back journey for them, and they have to spend more time also and more money also. Secondly, we found that even Old Goa station has its limitations, because Karmadi station has its limitations because it's right on the bank of the lake, which is already declared as a bird sanctuary. So what we decided then was develop the Karmadi railway station as a full-fledged bird sanctuary and create the infrastructure there so that tourists can directly come, alight, get down at Karmadi, they can spend a few days there. So with this view, Konkan Railway has decided to tie up with the Forest Department of Goa to have a full-fledged bird sanctuary there, equipped with ultra-modern observatory, and with the help of the Forest Department, the KRC will have one of its side structures, attached sheltered roof, and on top of that the observatory will be set up to help the flow of tourists to Karmadi. The KRC has decided to institute or to open a 100-room hotel owned by the KRC. It will be the first of its kind opening up in Karmadi. So it will be a major boost for environmental tourism. As the MLA of Santandre, one of the happiest moments for me was when I pressed for another station. It was informed that KRC has taken steps to have a full-fledged station along the Konkan railway route at Neora. Neora can be such a junction which can cater to 3-4 areas. One is directly to Vasco, another is nearer to Panjim, third is even if we are going to Madkai, then along with the new bridge coming up from Kotalim to Madkai, the Madkai Ponda side gets nearer from Neora. This station is expected to be completed within 5 years.